To another video, another live video. Thank you for joining me today and this evening. Yes, my name is Navarro from IsraelNavarro.com, and today's topic is why do high school dropouts believe they can't succeed, or why high school dropouts believe that they can't be successful. It is an interesting thing. It's a very interesting topic because I've had the honors and the privilege of meeting people who are high school dropouts and they're more successful than me. I've had the honor and privilege of seeing people, believe it or not, that are in this country owning restaurants and they never graduated high schools. Or they own a business and they haven't graduated high school. And how is that? How is that? That's the reason. Well, here in the U.S., obviously you're told to you go to school, get a college degree, get a job, get a house, get boom, 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 and retire. That is what they tell you. That is the norm of society. But let me tell you this. A lot of those people who own houses and a lot of people who are doing a lot of things here in the country to stimulate the economy are mostly not high school graduates. You know how many people, and I'm not trying to get political, but look at how many people have migrated to this country. They have come from Mexico, Colombia, El Salvador, Honduras, Brazil, Argentina, Chile, wherever they are. They come from that country, however they got here, okay? They never finished school, but they started a company, and they have a very nice house, they have a very nice car, they have a very beautiful family, and they're living happily. Sure, they're missing their family back home, but they're succeeding. But someone who just graduated college, who has a debt, is not stressing out. I'm not knocking if you made that choice to go to college, but are stressing out or is really getting frustrated because they're like, wait, I am not succeeding. I'm doing everything to the norms of society. But here it is. It's a myth. It is sadly a myth. And I'm not knocking the educational system in this country. I'm not knocking if you go to college. I'm not knocking if you graduated high school. I am just saying that if you grew up here in the U.S., I'm going to use the U.S. because I grew up here, they're told that if you don't do this, you won't succeed. But yet, and if you become a high school dropout, you're going to be a nobody. Let me tell you, one of the biggest honors in my life is I met a guy that's from Puerto Rico, Puerto Rican like me. He lives in Miami, Florida. The guy now he has multiple houses. He drives a McLaren. He's traveling, well, before the pandemic, he was traveling, I think, once a month easily, even if it was just for a weekend, first class. And he only studied to 9th grade. But this is what happened. This is what I've learned about his mentality and why he succeeded. Because he didn't let the societal norms knock him down. He didn't let someone else come and tell him, like, you can't do this. He did not let distractions around him stop him from achieving success. That is something interesting, and I really want you guys to notice, is he didn't let these situations knock him out, and he stayed focused. And he went for it. And now look at the results. Now, if you look at all these people that have migrated to the U.S. that don't have the best education, they're taking the opportunity of being in this country and they're succeeding. So, it's a myth. Now, here's also a thing. I've had the honor and privilege to go to Mexico. I have had the honor and privilege to notice that the person that starts off like in a little hot dog stand, I like to call it the hot dog stand, making tacos in the corner of the street, most likely, and I'm saying this without fear or anything, most likely in a year he has from that little hot dog stand of making tacos, he's now owns that restaurant or that building that was empty in the back. He turned that into his restaurant. Then from there, he just continues multiplying his business. Let's say he opens a bodega. Let's say he opens a multi-service. Let's say he starts opening a store to sell soccer stuff. He just keeps on building on. And most of those times, our people aren't even educated. And it's gone to the extreme that I've met these people, and some of them don't even know how to read and write. And I'm not knocking Mexico. I'm not knocking Mexico, but that's the reality of some of these people that are succeeding in Mexico. And they're just started off with a simple idea of making tacos, Okay, now I got the tacos. This is giving me money. Let me turn this into the restaurant over here. Okay, now this restaurant's going. Let me diversify my income. So in other words, it's not the degree, it's not the education you have. It's not having the ability to learn how to diversify your income. As long as you guys start developing and start learning how to diversify your income, you will succeed. So that's what I've done since I'm 18 years old. I have studied, I have gotten my education, but one of the things I've done, and compared to a few of my peers, I'm learning how to diversify my income. I'm learning to, okay, all right, I'm going to build this business. I'm going to obviously consult on this area. I'm going to invest here. I'm going to put my attention here. And that has helped me diversify my income so that by the reason why within a few years before I turn 30, I'm going to have a few revenues of income and I'm not going to be sweating it. Now, to close this video off, and you guys want to learn how to make one source of income, I do it through here, especially on Instagram. And there's a link in the comment section below or the link in my bio. Wherever you see that link, click it, sign up. You'll get my free ebook on how to make profit on, especially on Instagram. And some of that stuff you can apply it on any other social media platform. But that is what it is. Don't let yourself be told you can't succeed because you didn't do this. Go out there and make your success story, no matter what it is. You're the success story, not what society tells you. So take care. Thank you so much. God bless you. And hope to see you guys soon tomorrow on another live video.